Hey everyone, my name is Trofort Wilson, and here's another photo shoot breakdown. So for this breakdown, I actually want to go a little bit in depth about using rim lights. So to simplify it, a rim light is basically a light that is behind your subject, aimed towards the rim of them, if that's the simplest way to put it. As you guys can see in most of my setups, I usually have a rim light aimed towards the sides of the models. And the reason I like to use rim lights is because it creates a nice separation between the subject and your background. Now there's different ways that you can use a rim light. Sometimes I use my medium strip bank because it creates a nice rim from the head all the way down. Or you could use a reflector head with the grid, depending on what lighting and what mood you're going for. And as you guys can see in my images, I love putting color gels on my rim lights because it creates another dimension to the image, and it sometimes plays off of the wardrobe or the mood of the image as well. And as you guys can see in this image, I had two rim lights, one on each side, but on one of the rim lights, I decided to use an orange and yellow gel because I wanted to play off of the gold that was actually in her outfit. Another reason why I love using rim lights, especially when I'm photographing athletes, it helps show the definition in their muscles, especially if they're doing poses where they're flexing their biceps or they're flexing their triceps. Being able to have that rim light creates a nice different level of dimension, and the light is able to fall off of it that way as well. So whatever you're shooting, whenever you want to create separation between your model and the background, make sure you throw in a rim light. So I hope that this photo shoot breakdown was helpful. Be on the lookout for the next one, and don't forget to be fearless and create.